Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to show you a really simple AC fix for your Honda Odyssey that could save you a lot of time, aggravation, and money. And as you know, your AC always goes at the worst possible time, like for myself with 6 people in the vehicle traveling 6 hours in 30 degrees Celsius weather. And for me, it just stopped working altogether and started to blow hot air. Now, an AC blowing hot air has several possible root causes. There could be an issue with your compressor clutch, a blown fuse, a leak, or a clog in the expansion valve. And when I was turning the AC on and off, I couldn't hear the compressor clutch kick on. And another sign that I didn't see was a slight blip in the revs at idle when the compressor would normally kick on. So right now I'm just turning the AC on and off, and as you can see, there's no change in the revs. Now since my AC was blowing cold a couple of weeks ago with no issues and suddenly stopped during this trip, I'm going to head towards my fuse relays and my compressor clutch. Now my engine's off right now, but if you want to know where your compressor clutch is, it's towards the front of the engine bay and all the way towards the bottom. Really hard to pick up with my camera. And when I was running my engine, my AC clutch just wasn't cycling on. Now, unfortunately, with older Honda Odysseys, there is an AC issue, but you'll be amazed at what the fix is. Because the problem is likely in your engine bay fuse box. So before we start removing fuses, let's disconnect the negative cable on your battery and then walk away from your vehicle for a little while to ensure that the surface charge is fully gone. Cover, there should be 4 tabs. Just depress them and that should remove the cover quite easily. Now in the fuse box, the relay that you're going to want to focus in on is that one right there, which is the R4 AC Compressor Clutch Relay. And you can see on the diagrams, they don't really label them, but I ended up labeling mine. And that R4, again, is that AC Compressor Clutch Relay that typically goes bad. And it's one of the faults of the Honda Odyssey. But that being said, if that relay goes bad, it also makes for a really inexpensive repair. Now the Honda Odyssey uses a few of the same relays. So you can replace that R4 with the R1 and see if your compressor clutch cycles on. Now with my relay out, I can easily replace it with the R1, which controls my fans, then connect the battery, followed by starting up the vehicle just to ensure that my AC works properly. But in my case, I don't think I'm going to have to do that because when I take this relay out, I can hear something shaking inside, so this is definitely a bad relay. I'll turn up the sound to see if the camera will actually catch it. So I took the old fuse to the parts store and purchased this new one for less than $10. The only thing left to do is just don't forget the cover and make sure those 4 tabs are pressed in nicely. Of course, reconnect the negative cable back to the battery. And now for the moment of truth. And I just heard the AC compressor kick on. That air is already changing and I can feel it starting to get cold. So everything is starting to work properly. Now, when you research many Honda Odyssey forums, that R4 relay blowing seems to be a very common issue. But as I said before, a very inexpensive fix. And this is something that you can easily do yourself on your driveway or in your garage. So once again, the common issue with your AC not working is that R4 relay, which controls the AC compressor clutch. So there you have it, a $10 AC fix. And help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend, and comment below as I reply to all. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.